Good morning, my friends. How are you? Let me hope you're fine. Today I'm gonna show you how you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation very easy and in a quick way. So let's start by assuming that you have a Word document that you want to make a presentation from it. Let's assume that you are going to present this document. First of all, before making a presentation, you must know who are you going to present in front of, and you must also know what are the key elements that you are going to use in your presentation. So if you have a document that you are going to present, you are not going to show all the document to your audience. You only extract the key point or the key elements so that you will not take a lot of time in front of your audience. So this is an example or a sample, or let's say a draft, so that you can see what are the ways, what are the tips and tricks in order to do a presentation. So it's up to you to make a strong presentation depending on your subject. So let's start. First of all, start by opening a PowerPoint program. Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so before starting, you must know that a presentation has two elements. The PowerPoint slide has two elements: the title and the subtitle. So the title must be a single sentence, and the subtitle, take it as the content of your presentation. So before starting, you must design your presentation so that it fits your needs. So by adding the title, see, let's first of all add this title. Tantum Technologies presentation. Okay, let's say this is a title. You can bold or make it italic. Here you can customize depending on your needs. Here, by doing the title, we will not need a subtitle. You can delete or remove this subtitle and remain only with the title. So after adding the title, you will create a new slide. So creating a new slide, you right click on your first slide, right click and go to new slide. Okay, this is the second slide, this is the first slide. Okay, on the second slide, you see also you have the title and the content. Okay, so this is a sample, so it will not have a meaning, but it's gonna guide you through the way how to do your own presentation. So let's say this will be our title. Okay, paste here, and this will be the content. And the end of this module, you will be able to. Okay, so as I told you, you are not going to copy everything. So for example, this is subtitle. By the end of this module, you will be able to, no need to copy it. You only copy the key elements that are gonna help you to remember the whole content and present to your audience using your own words. Okay, and you arrange your text. Okay, let's add a new slide. Okay, let's say let's take okay, let's use this section 3 for example. The title will be the definition of governance. Okay, and you add as your title, and the text will be, we have seen that the government institution, let's say, okay, let's copy it, the text, but it's your own responsibility, use your conscience to choose which text is going to be presented. Okay, and after, let's say that this is the last slide, let's add the new slide, and as the last slide, it must have a big title of thank you for your attention. So your presentation is this one. So what are we going to add? We are going to add the transitions and animations in order to make your presentation look beautiful. Okay, first of all, you can start by choosing the design of your presentation. Okay, there are many sample designs that you can choose your own. See, and you can also browse some themes on the online sources. So let's take a sample here. Or let's take for example this one. Okay, you see, this design has been applied to all my slides. See, so after choosing a design, we are going to choose a transition and an animation. So first of all, you must know how to differentiate a transition and an animation. A transition is applied to the whole slide, and an animation is applied to the text that is in the slide. See, so let's choose the transition for the first slide. Okay, let's say that the first slide must come in a shape. Okay, see, this is the preview of your slide, and the text must have the animation of, let's say, going to wheel. Okay, like this. Okay, you see the first slide is completed. Let's go to the second slide. Choose the transition for the second slide. Let's choose, for example, switch. Okay, like this. And our title, we have the animation of flying, and our text will have, let's give it an animation of a bounce, for example. Okay, this is an example. And go to the third slide. The third slide, first of all, the transition of the slide will be, choose, let's say, clock. Okay, and our title, let's give an animation to our title, an animation of splitting, and our text have an animation of, let's say, okay, grow. Okay, like this one. Okay, and on our last slide, let's give the transition of, let's choose transition of, okay, let's say cube. Okay, in our text we have an animation of wheeling. Okay, so here you have finished to design your presentation. So the last one that we are going to do is to present our presentation. First of all, save your presentation. It's important to save everything that you did. Okay, let's save it to the desktop in Tantum Technologies presentation. Okay, let's save. Okay, after saving our presentation, what we are going to do is to animate and or to present our presentation. So there are many ways of presenting. So the first way is to clicking on this slideshow icon. Okay, this is the first way. Check here on the bottom. Okay, and the second way is to click here on slideshow and you choose where to start your animation, from the beginning or to start from the current slide. So you click on the starting from the current slide. For example, you are presenting and you were on the 20th slide and you don't want to start again from the first slide. So this is where you are going to use the from current slide. So but for us, it's because this is our first time of presentation, we are going to start from the beginning. Okay, let's click start from the beginning. You see, and you click next. This is our title that we are going to present. Okay, Tantum Technologies presentation. Here you start by introducing yourself, of course, and explain in summary what we include in your presentation in order to attract your audience. Okay, here you click next. You can click, or you can also use the keyboard or left, right, up, down buttons. Okay, this is the title of our first slide, and this is our content. See, and you click again. This is our next text. Click. This is our title of the second presentation, and you present with confidence, and at the end you thank your audience for their attention, as I also thank you for following or watching this video, and asking you to subscribe to this channel so that you will not going to miss any tip or trick that is used in technology. And also don't forget to comment what you want me to explain you later, how to do things easily and on yourself. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe and share to your friends. Bye bye. Love you all.